Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today we're gonna unbox the Polene Cyme tote bag. So this is the top of the box, and this is the box that it comes in. It's a very nice recyclable box. It has a little bit of information and a tag here on the side. Inside it comes with the care booklet and a booklet that really illustrates how you can unfold this bag, make it bigger, make it more compact, depending on the way you plan to use to wear this bag. Everything is explained in this little booklet that comes in. The bag comes in a dust bag and also is wrapped in a really nice tissue paper from Polene. I'll show you the duster. It is here. It's a very nice quality. It is sturdier outside than inside. Inside is super soft. It's one of the best dusters I have ever received from any brand. It has the Polene logo here on the front, and then it obviously you can cinch it to make it smaller once the bag is inside. The bag in question is the Polene Cyme in the standard size or the large size or whatever you want to call it. The bag came stuffed with the tissue paper like this. I still have the tags that came on the bag because I received it just yesterday. I will say that the shipping was very fast. I ordered this bag last week, end of the week, and they quoted me 5 days DHL shipping at the price of €9 to me in Slovakia. So I was really pleasantly surprised with the speed of shipping. As you can see, you can top handle this bag, but also you can use it not crossbody but on your shoulder with these longer straps here. As I mentioned before, this bag has two ways of kind of doing it. You can cinch it here with the magnets. This is one way to make it smaller, more compact. So we're gonna look at the first way. So it's gonna be like this, and we're also gonna close it inside with the magnet. And this is gonna be your, let's say, more compact way of using this bag. As for the dimensions, guys, this bag is 38 centimeters with 32 centimeters. It is not super huge, so it's smaller than your Neverfull GM, but it is, let's say, in the size of, it fits similar things like the Neverfull MM. It does come with no interior pockets, but there is a twist. So this is the interior. It's a very soft brushed leather, and there is a pouch inside of it, which is actually detachable, which is good if you don't want to use it in this bag or just use it as a separate thing. The way I plan to use it is, so for example, I'm gonna take this bag with me to work, take my computer inside of it, and then let's say if I'm gonna go for lunch, I'm just gonna grab the pouch with my bare essentials, and I would say, let's say I would put my phone in it. Here's my iPhone 15 Plus, so the larger size. I would put my phone in it like this, and maybe some cream or my pills or something like that. Close it, detach it from the bag, and just take it with me to lunch, let's say, as a little pouch. There, that's very nice. I really like that a lot and appreciate it. As for the pricing, this is a full leather bag at the price of €380 with €9 shipping, so the total was $389, and I believe for this price it's worth your money, because if you look at some of the other brands, what they're charging for canvas bags today is just insane. And this being a full leather bag at €380, I believe it's a wonderful purchase. I'm filming currently on my laptop, so I don't have a laptop to put in, but this is a full A4 size notebook. I'm gonna throw it in here. As you will see, it's gonna disappear very easily inside of this bag. And there is a ton of videos showing how laptops in this bag, so this bag is big enough to do a laptop, a A4 notice, and let's say, I don't know, your wallets, your cosmetic pouch easily. It is very subtle, so let's call it subtle luxury. It doesn't have much more than a little Polene logo here, which is not visible from far away. Also, if you wish, you can wear it the other side around and not show any logo at all. So it can be very discreet if that is your choice. So from this perspective, I think it's really nice. The smell of this leather is really, really nice, almost intoxicating. I really like that a lot. So my verdict, at the price of 380 euro, this bag is a very nice purchase. Also, I checked the stitching on mine because there has been some complaints on the quality of the craftsmanship. I didn't find nothing on mine yet that I could fault. It looks to be in pristine condition. Has absolutely beautiful smell. Came super fast. So far, so good, guys. If you have any question on the Polene Cyme bag, do let me know in the comments below. That said, one thing that I wanted to notice, because I was considering also the mini one, this bag is not that big, so definitely I would not go for the mini. The mini is only like really, if you want to carry only your bare necessities, like a phone, small cosmetic pouch, and maybe let's say a small book, Kindle, something like that, or an iPad mini. Anything bigger than that, I think you're better off to go with this one, which you can do the computer, water bottle, charger, etc. So this is more of a, if you plan to wear this to work, use it as a work bag, I would go for this one. Okay, we're up to 6 minutes. With that, I'm gonna wish you a wonderful weekend, and if you have any questions, do let me know, guys. Bye. Enjoy.